Next, sp2 hybridization. So sp2 hybridization. So sp2 hybridization, that is due to the intermixing of one s orbital with the two p orbitals for the formation of three sp2 hybrid orbitals. So alkenes, unsaturated hydrocarbons, so they shows sp2 hybridization. So alkenes, double bond containing compounds. So in double bond, one is sigma covalent bond and another one is pi covalent bond. Okay. So double bond containing compounds, they undergoes sp2 hybridization. Okay. So in sp2 hybridization, shape of the molecule is trigonal planar with the bond angle 120 degrees. Bond angle is 120 degrees and shape of the molecule is trigonal planar. Then carbon-carbon bond length, so that is 1.34 angstrom units, and carbon-hydrogen bond length, that is 1.08 angstrom units. So bond length between carbon and carbon and carbon and hydrogen. Then coming to bond energy. So you know that in alkenes, in between two carbon atoms, double bond is there. So to break double bond, more energy is required. Okay. So here carbon-carbon double bond energy is 610.7 kilojoules per mole. So this is bond energy. Okay. So alkenes shows the sp2 hybridization and shape is trigonal planar with bond angle 120 degrees. Bond length carbon-carbon is 1.34 angstrom units, carbon-hydrogen 1.08 angstrom units. Bond energy, carbon-carbon double bond energy is 610.7 kilojoules per mole. Okay. Next, sp hybridization. So sp hybridization, one s orbital intermixed with one p orbital forms two sp hybrid orbitals. Okay. So total alkynes, unsaturated hydrocarbons having triple bond. So triple bond containing compounds, one sigma and two pi bonds are present in between two carbon atoms, triple bond. Okay. So this type of organic compounds, they undergoes sp hybridization, triple bond containing compounds. Then shape of the molecule is linear shape, linear with the bond angle 180 degrees. Bond angle is 180 degrees, linear. Okay. Then bond length, carbon-carbon bond length. So here carbon-carbon, in between carbon and carbon triple bond is there. That's why bond length decreases. Bond energy increases, bond length decreases. So here bond length is 1.20 angstrom units, carbon-carbon bond length. Then carbon-hydrogen bond length, that is 1.06. Carbon-hydrogen bond length is 1.06 angstrom units. Then come to bond energy. You know that triple bond is present in between two carbon atoms. That's why bond energy is more than that of sp3, sp2 hybrid orbitals. So here bond energy is 827.64 kilojoules per mole. Carbon-carbon triple bond energy 827.64 kilojoules per mole. Okay. So this is the bond energy. Okay. So all these are important data. Then coming to S character and P character in hybrid orbitals. So So in sp3 hybrid orbitals, s character is 25% and p character is 75%. And in sp2 hybrid orbitals, s character is 33.3%, p character is 66.6%. And in sp hybrid orbital, s character is 50% and p character is 50%. Okay. As s character of hybrid orbitals increases, electronegativity of carbon atom also increases. That's why electronegativity of sp carbon atom is greater than sp2, which is greater than sp3. Okay. So electronegativity order of hybrid orbitals. So that is sp is greater than sp2 is greater than sp3. So this is the electronegativity order. Okay. Next, homologous series. Next, homologous series. Homologous series. So homologous series, they are series of compounds. They may be alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, or alcohols, alkyl halides, any organic compounds. Okay, hydrocarbons and their derivatives. So these are series of compounds. Homologous series are series of compounds having same functional group and shows similar properties but differ from the preceding one by CH2 group. Okay, so they are homologous series. So homologous series are series of organic compounds containing same functional group and shows similar properties but differ with preceding one by CH2 group. Okay. So they are called homologous series. Okay. For example, alkanes are there. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, hexane, pentane, hexane. Okay. So for example here in between methane and ethane, formula CH4C2H6. What is the difference? CH2. Okay. And the molecular weight difference is 14. Okay. So differed by CH2 group and molecular weight difference is 14. So this series of compounds, they are called as homologous series. Okay. For example, alcohols are there. Methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol, butyl alcohol. Okay. So alcohol. So functional group is same. Okay. Show similar properties but differ with preceding one by CH2 group. So in between CH3OH and C2H5OH difference is CH2 group. Okay. And molecular weight difference is 14. Okay. So that's why this type of compounds are called as homologous series.